Let's grab our boards and run, 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 run to the nearest shore. School is proud, let's go now and hail it out the door. Yeah, the waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit the spot. Cool down. The waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit the spot. Cool down. The water's looking nice and blue, so blue, so bluer than the clearest sky. And the waves are fire and getting higher and better even as we speak. Yeah, don't you melt the sun, 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 sun's hotter than ever before. So let's ride, ride, surfing right some more. Yeah, the waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit the spot. Cool down.
Hi everyone!
Wait,
Yeah. Hi. Happy New Year!
Run, run! 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 And stay home. Stay here. One. Oh! Nice. Nice. Goatee. Goatee. Oh! Hey, isn't this a bit too far?
Yeah. So it's got 1.5.
There you go.
Run, please! It's George's turn. Let's see if we can get our team somewhere. Watch this, it's gonna miss. Oh! Oh! Nice, George! Oh, yeah, Ali. Bruh.
How many do we have? Two.
Okay, go guys. When you are ready. Go, Leah. Nice. Why'd you throw the bat? Nice, Leah. Go, 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 go. Woo, safe. Okay, sorry, you didn't see that. Take two. Nicely! You have to run, you have to run. Nicely. Time your hair. So, swells are pretty strong at the moment. Woo! Woo! Wow! Wow! Thomas, stay here. It's pretty strong. So
Yep, just New Year's in New Zealand. 4 seasons in one. It was sunny, now it's gonna rain. Pissing down. We're still riding it out. Okay. Happy New Year's from Aotearoa. This is New Zealand summer. Have a geese. Usually we're lying on the towels getting a tan, but now we're up with the towels, lowering the towels because it's cold. There we go. Yeah,
Malili au malanga ole au malanga and go
Usolela.
If he was tricky, he'll be like, you know, because that rock there, that's where the taniwha came out of the water. And you know, that smell there.
Told you, 4 seasons and 1. Rain is going, the sun's coming out. Look. Woo! Sun's coming out, guys. Hopefully we can enjoy the rest of our day.
You're moving the sand!
This is
Look at the holes! Look like a dick. That's what you look like. Hey, buddy! Oh, sorry.
Girl, you know it's true. You helped me write this book of love only for you. Nothing ever come between us. You're the only one who shaped this broken heart. Girl, you got me longing for your gentle touch. Like the saying goes, baby, shower me with your love. You're the ray of light to my darkest days. My one offer angata ahine. I love you for life, 'cause everything is alright. Not a worry inside when I'm with you, baby. The mood is bright, fire burning between us. I love you for life, 'cause everything is alright. Not a worry inside when I'm with you, baby. The mood is bright, fire burning between us. I love you for life.
done for the day. Heading home.
To me, my pride and joy, my everything. And like the saying goes, baby, shower me with your love. Ahine ofa anga, you're my guiding light. Together we'll shine, burning ever so bright.
Kirana. We are just heading back home from a good day spent at Bethells Beach. Oh, the water was so nice.
'Cause everything is alright. Not a worry inside when I'm with you, baby. The mood is bright, fire burning between us.
Soon as you step up on the scene, baby, my only wish is just to have you wrapped up. Give you the love and the affection that a man provides. Whether I'm with or without you, baby, you're my reason why.
Oh, I cannot comprehend the way I feel about you. every day I want you to know that my love is true. Dahine ofa mai teu vale. Pour your love on me, honey. I love you for life.